Morning everyone. Sunshine before and after the rain. I wanted to take a minute this morning to show you something that's just become available on our country club development. The country club is accessible 12 months a year. Loads of opportunities. So quite a rare find, this one. 2022 Victory Lakewood Lodge. It's 42 foot long, 2 bedrooms, already installed, decking. It's got the decking lights there. Really lovely spot to be. And looking down the meadows there, out to the Somerset levels. If we look across there, that is our country clubhouse. The golf club is right there. We're close to all the facilities, but just far enough away. Now, I like the Lakewood Lodges for a number of reasons. The main reason I like these is the clever use of space and storage. Just get ourselves in here to the main living space. Really, really comfortable. So 2 bedrooms. There's your view. So the lounge area, I love the modern feel to these caravans. Full hob. There's your washing machine already there. We've got dishwasher built in somewhere. There it is. Integrated fridge and freezer. The other clever thing they do is work with the storage really well. So our storage racks, really up to date and modern. Okay. On the market for $89,995. There's bedroom 1. 2 singles, bags of storage still. There we are. Now the bathroom, what I like is the tap architecture is all ash matte black. There we are. Heated towel rails into the master. Now we are awaiting any second for a brand new mattress to be delivered. Morning. Walk-in wardrobe. There we are. Plenty of storage. So site fees are included for 2025 in this van. The nice touch is the hidden ensuite. There we are. Double aspect shower. Your basin and WC. And again, heated towel rail. Really spacious master. So much going on this year at Unity Resort in Breeze Sands. We think that you're going to like it. So developments down for the entertainment venues. You get access to the golf club. So 2 people will be signed up, included for the first year. And there's swimming on site. The gym's on site. We have got entertainment venues ×2. Loads of space. Look at the timing. The rain's just started again, but what do we expect? It's still February. Give it a couple of weeks. We'll be heating up. This is going to be an absolute belter. So give me a call. I'm Simon. 07973 620 351. Come and take a look at it. Come and see the plans. Come and join us at Unity.